For this problem, we'll solve a rational equation. Now we have a rational equation that has denominators of 4, 2, and 4. And what we would like to do is clear these fractions so that we have an equation that does not involve fractions. So by looking at the denominators of 4, 2, and 4, we find the smallest number that is divisible by 2 and 4, and that number is 4. So that tells us to multiply both sides of this equation by 4, and that will clear the fractions. So when we do that, we have 4 times the quantity 2x minus 3 over 4 is equal to, now we need to distribute the 4 through the right-hand side, and we have 4 times the quantity x minus 4 over 2 minus 4 times the quantity x plus 1 over 4. Now in this next step, we can divide out common factors. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1 over 1, so we have just 2x minus 3 on the left-hand side is equal to, on the right-hand side, 4 divided by 2 is 2 over 1, so we have 2 times the quantity x minus 4 minus, again, 4 divided by 4 gives us 1 over 1, and we just have, be careful, we need the parentheses still, we just have the quantity x plus 1. Now we're ready to distribute through the parentheses. So we have on the left-hand side 2x minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 8, and when we distribute the negative through the last parentheses, we have minus x minus 1. So on the right-hand side, let's combine some like terms. We'll leave the left-hand side alone. 2x minus 3 is equal to, on the right-hand side, we have 2x minus x, which just gives us x, and then we have negative 8 minus 1 gives us minus 9. Now, let's go ahead and move the x's to the left-hand side of this equation. So we have 2x minus 3, and we're going to subtract x from both sides. Minus x equals x minus 9 minus x. When we do that, on the left-hand side, we have 2x minus x, which just gives us x minus 3, is equal to, on the right-hand side, the x and the minus x add to 0, so we have only negative 9 left. The last step will be to add 3 to both sides, and I'll do that right up here. We have x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to negative 9 plus 3. And our final solution will be, on the left-hand side, just x is equal to negative 9 plus 3 is negative 6. So the answer to this problem is x equals negative 6.